multiplication with 999, 999, 9999, so on. So to multiply any number, these concepts. So to multiply these numbers is simple. In examination point of view, if any questions are, if you have noticed, you can use this method. For example, if you want to multiply 75 into 99 or any number, multiply with those number of exact nines, and or else 737 multiply with 999. So these type of questions you can use this technique. First number is 75, right? From 75 you can subtract 1, minus 1 you can do it. From 75 you can do minus 1, that is 74. Then these are the two numbers next to two places. We need to write the complement of 7. That means first number is 7. Now what number if you add to this 7, you'll get 9. So 7 plus 2 is equals to 9. Next to 4. 4 plus 5 is equal to 9. That's why this 2 and 5 should write here. 2, 5. Same matching. 7 place is 2 and 4 place is 5. Therefore answer is 7425. Just only by observing you can write the remaining set. Okay, even other example you notice. 737. So just you can take minus 1. If you take minus 1, 737 minus 1, 736. Then next 3 places. Next 3 places means just only the complement of this. 7 plus what number is 9? That should write here. So 7 plus 2 is 9, right? And next 3 plus 6 is 9 and 6 plus 3 is 9. Same corresponding, same places, same positions only are taken. Just then answer is this 736263. Just simple logic behind this. 737, no, just 737 from the 3 zeros minus this 737 is subtracting. Generally 75 into 100 is 7500, but 75 into 99 means 7500 minus this 175, 175 you can subtract. Same way 737,000 minus 737, obviously you'll get 736263. Instead of doing this way, just you can apply this concept, just to complement method, and number of digits and number of nines are same, you can use this method. So we have so many Vedic math tricks in our channel, those you can go through. Just a few examples only I'm explaining this. Next you can start the same series with the topic wise, like number system, algebra. So all the quantitative aptitude short tricks will start in that way, one by one.